Have you ever wondered what the largest rainforest on Earth looks like? Imagine a place so vast that it stretches across millions of square kilometers, where thousands of rivers flow through endless green forests, and where every step reveals a new species of plant or animal. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on our planet. The Amazon rainforest covers approximately 6.7 million square kilometers, making it the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It spans 9 South American countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Nearly 60% of the forest lies within Brazil, making it home to the largest share of this incredible natural wonder. The Amazon began forming millions of years ago. Scientists believe that the rainforest has existed in some form for at least 55 million years, evolving alongside changing climates, shifting continents, and countless species. Over time, it became one of the richest ecosystems ever known. At the heart of the rainforest flows the mighty Amazon River, the second longest river in the world after the Nile. However, it carries more water than any other river on Earth. Every second, the Amazon River releases around 209,000 cubic meters of freshwater into the Atlantic Ocean. Its vast network includes more than 1,100 tributaries, creating an enormous freshwater system that supports life across the continent. One of the most remarkable facts about the Amazon is its incredible biodiversity. Scientists estimate that the rainforest contains around 390 billion individual trees, representing approximately 16,000 different tree species. It is also home to more than 40,000 plant species, over 3,000 species of freshwater fish, around 1,300 bird species, over 430 mammal species, about 1,000 amphibian species, and more than 370 reptile species. Then more astonishing is the fact that researchers continue discovering new species every year, proving that much of the Amazon remains scientifically unexplored. Among its most famous residents is the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas. These powerful predators are excellent swimmers and can hunt both on land and in water. The rainforest is also home to colorful macaws, playful capuchin monkeys, giant anacondas, stealthy caimans, curious sloths, noisy howler monkeys, electric eels, pink river dolphins, poison dart frogs, and countless insects that perform essential roles in maintaining the ecosystem. One of the smallest yet most important creatures in the Amazon is the insect. Millions of insects pollinate plants, recycle dead organic matter, and provide food for birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals. Without them, the rainforest's food web would quickly collapse. Many people call the Amazon the lungs of the earth. While this phrase is widely used, the reality is slightly more complex. The rainforest produces enormous amounts of oxygen through photosynthesis, but much of that oxygen is consumed again by the forest's own plants, animals, and microorganisms. What truly makes the Amazon so important is its ability to store massive amounts of carbon dioxide. Scientists estimate that the rainforest stores around 150 to 200 billion metric tons of carbon, helping slow the pace of global climate change. The Amazon also creates its own weather. Trees constantly release water vapor into the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. This moisture forms clouds that generate rainfall across South America. Some scientists describe these massive streams of moisture as flying rivers, because they transport water through the atmosphere over thousands of kilometers. These flying rivers help provide rainfall for agriculture, cities, and ecosystems far beyond the rainforest itself. The forest floor is surprisingly dark because the dense canopy above blocks much of the sunlight. In some places, less than 2% of sunlight reaches the ground. As a result, many plants have evolved unusually large leaves to capture every bit of available light, while countless fungi and microorganisms recycle fallen leaves and dead trees into nutrients that sustain new growth. Despite its size and importance, the Amazon faces serious threats. Every year, large areas of forest are cleared for cattle ranching, soybean farming, mining, logging, and road construction. Illegal deforestation destroys habitats, forces wildlife into smaller areas, and releases stored carbon into the atmosphere. Climate change is making the situation even worse by increasing temperatures, altering rainfall patterns, and causing longer periods of drought that make wildfires more frequent. Scientists warn that if too much of the rainforest disappears, the Amazon could reach a tipping point where large sections can no longer sustain themselves as rainforest. Instead, they could gradually transform into dry grasslands or savannas. Such a change would affect not only South America but weather patterns and biodiversity across the globe. Protecting the Amazon requires international cooperation, stronger environmental laws, sustainable farming practices, and support for indigenous communities, many of whom have protected these forests for thousands of years. Research has shown that indigenous managed lands are often among the best preserved parts of the Amazon because these communities possess deep ecological knowledge passed down through generations. Today, the Amazon remains one of Earth's greatest natural treasures. It regulates climate, supports millions of species, provides fresh water, stores vast amounts of carbon, and continues to reveal new scientific discoveries. Every tree, river, insect, and animal plays a role in maintaining one of the most complex ecosystems ever to exist. The Amazon rainforest is far more than a collection of trees. It is a living, breathing system that helps keep our planet in balance. Protecting it is not only about saving wildlife, it's about protecting the future of life on Earth itself. If you enjoyed learning about the Amazon rainforest, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fascinating science documentaries about our incredible planet.